Hey guys, welcome to the video. So today we are going to discuss about Python built-in data types. So without wasting time, let's get started. Python built-in data types. So there are four data types, built-in data types. So we are going to discuss only three: list, tuple, and dictionary. List. First of all, list. So lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable. So here we can see L is a list and it consists 1, 2, 3 and a name also 5. So list is used to store multiple items in a single variable. If you want to access this list, just use this L. That's the name of the list, and the list is changeable. Meaning that we can change, add and remove items in a list after it has been created. So here we can see an example. So 1 2 3 4 5, this is a list, and the L square bracket of 0, L of 0 is 1, L of 0 is 1, L of 0 is changed to 2, so the 1 will be changed to 2. So the print L, the output will be 2 2 3 4 5. So the list can be of any data type. So list 1, we can see it's an it's a strings, it's apple, banana and cherry strings, and the second one is integers. So third one is boolean values. So list can be of any data type. So list items are indexed. The first item has indexed 0 and the second items are indexed 1. So the 1 has index 0, 5 has index 1, the 7 has index 2. That goes on. So to determine how many items in a list has, use length function. There is a function called length to identify the length of a list. So here is an example. So this list is apple, banana, cherry. Here are 3 strings. So print length of this list. This will print the length of the list. It's 3. The next one is tuple. So tuple, in the case of list we use square brackets. So in the case of tuple we use braces. So apple, banana, cherry is a string, as 3 strings. So a tuple is called which is ordered and unchangeable. So in the case of list we can change, and it has order but we can change the variables. But in the case of tuple we cannot change, and it is ordered, and tuple items are indexed. The first item has index 0 and the second item has index 1, as same as list. So tuples are unchangeable. We already see that, and meaning that we cannot change, add or remove item after the tuple has been created. After creation we cannot change the values inside a tuple. To determine how many items in a tuple has, use length function. As we all know, we already saw. So tuple can have different data types. Here's an example: apple, banana, cherry strings, and this tuple contains integer values. So the tuple 3 contains of boolean values. Same as list. You can access tuple items by referring to the index number inside square brackets. So if you want to access an element from a tuple, let's see this example. This tuple apple, banana and cherry is there, so print this tuple of 1. The index starts with 0 apple and 1 banana, 3 cherry, so the 2. So we are this tuple of 1 we want to print, so the banana will be print. The first index item will be print. Next one is dictionary. So dictionaries, okay, in the case of list, we put the elements in square brackets, and in the case of tuple, the elements are in braces. So here we can say it's curly braces, so elements are in curly braces, and it has some specialties. Let's check. Dictionaries are used to store data values in key value pair. So here we can see the brand is a key and the Ford is the value. So if you want to access the Ford, just we use the key brand. Using brand we can access the value. So in dictionary, the data store in key value pairs. So a dictionary is a collection which is ordered. It's an ordered collection, changeable, and do not allow duplicates. So do not allow duplicates. Dictionaries cannot have two items with the same key. So for example, so here we can see 2 years. One is 1964 and the another one is 2020. So the output will be 2020 because it will be changed. So the output will be year is equal to 2020. It will be overridden. Okay. It is also possible to use the dict constructor to make a dictionary. If we want to create a dictionary, so just use this dict constructor. So you can access the items of a dictionary by referring to its key name inside square brackets, or the model. So we are getting here the model. So in the previous slide we know the model is Mustang. Here we can see the Mustang. So the output will be Mustang. Okay, there is also a method called get that will give you the same result. X is equal to this list dot get model. If one method is this and another one is get, called get method. So this both will give the output Mustang. Okay, this is all for today. Thank you for watching.